belong to nuclear family.
No.
My
Start from
father.
the no. Start from the beginning. Suman,
Oh,
please
yes, sir.
tell me about yourself.
My name is Korra Suman. I am from Bhadradri Kottagudem district. I belong to nuclear family. My father name is Korra Veeranna. My mother is Sona. She is homemaker. I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from Bomma Institute of Technology and Science under JNTU Hyderabad. In the year of 2019, with an aggregate percentage of 63.07.
Mm.
My strengths are I am self-confident and a disciplined person. I am hard worker and good communication skills and analytical skills. I believe that positive thinking is one of my best strengths, sir. My hobbies are playing games and watching movies and listening songs and cooking and helping my father in agriculture sector.
Good. So, you are staying in which city or which town?
I am staying in Kurnool district from AP, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Oh, Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Yeah. Um, Now let me ask you questions as they were asked today in one candidate. What is the degree you did?
Mechanical engineering, sir.
Oh. Why did you prefer mechanical engineering? Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why did you choose mechanical engineering that time?
Sir, I joined in mechanical engineering thinking
Mm,
that there will be a sufficient job opportunities
mm.
in the Indian Indian economy. But now I realized that, and I found there is no sufficient job opportunities. And
Mm.
later I will convert it into banking sector, sir.
So your mother tongue is Kannada,
Telugu, sir.
Telugu. You are appearing for interview in Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very nice. Now, when did you complete your degree?
2019, sir.
Acha, what you have been doing since 2019? What are the exams you cleared up to mains level?
Yes, sir. Recently, IBPS RRB clerical mains, I lost 4 marks in the mains examination. And last year, IBPS clerical exam also 1.5 marks to lost the job, sir. And recently, I am shortlisted for IDBI PO mock interview, sir. And
Hmm.
since I lost in mains examination, final cut-off, sir.
Mhm. Why you are applying for South Indian Bank? You can apply for public sector banks.
I want to job, sir. I want to join in the bank and I want to serve as a bank employee. So whatever it may be, either public sector or private sector, doesn't matter, sir. So there is an opportunity to utilize. So that's why I can apply every notification, sir.
What are the various loans given by banks? For which purposes banks are giving loan?
And banks loans are housing loan and vehicle loan and educational loan and industrial loans and and housing loan. These loans
Hmm.
are provided financially helping for borrowers, sir, and they can build their career growth, sir.
Okay. Now, um, did you tell about agriculture?
Yes, sir.
In agriculture, for which purposes banks give loan?
banks giving crop loans to agriculture sector, sir. Customers do not have financial stability to grow their crops, so that's why banks give loans to the customers and helping farmers in agriculture sector. They grown good crops, they automatically repay the loan to the bank, sir.
Good. What is the difference between overdraft and cash credit?
Sir, overdraft is a facility, sir. A minimum account balance is less, the amount can draw more than the minimum balance available in the respective account, sir. That facility is called overdraft facility, sir.
No, actually, this answer is not correct. What is the difference between overdraft and cash credit means? Overdraft is given against house property or against, say, deposits. A limit is
Okay.
granted and up to which the person can draw the money and he has to
Okay.
repay the interest every month when it is debited. Whereas
Mm.
the case of cash credit account also, it is similarly limit is fixed, but the security is goods.
Okay.
Security is goods, maybe raw materials, work in process, finished goods, or in the case of trading companies, it will be goods stored in the shop for sale to public. Based on the statement given about the stocks available, drawing limit is arrived. For example, if
Okay.
there is stock of 10 lakhs worth of goods and margin is 25%, the customer will be allowed to draw up to 7.5 lakhs if he has been given sanctioned limit above this money. And then within this amount, he can draw and he has to repay the interest periodically. And in the
Okay.
case of cash credit accounts, there will be a condition the account should be brought to creditor once in 6 months. Once in 6 months, he should pay all the money and see the account is brought to credit. It is theoretical. Practically, it is not possible. Okay,
Uh, okay.
very good. Next question they
I
have
will have
asked.
to work on that.
Yeah. You just search in Google, you will get the answer.
Oh, okay.
What is repo rate and why, when it is raised, when it is lowered?
Sir, repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends money to the public sector banks and to the short-term purposes against the loans to at short-term period, sir.
To
Repo
whom?
rate,
Who is giving loan to whom?
RBI gives loan to the public sector banks, sir.
No, no, not necessarily public sector banks. Scheduled commercial
Any
banks. It can be
yes,
private also.
yes, sir.
It can be private also.
Private, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So repo rate is raised. The repo rate is authorized to monitoring the
Hmm.
yes, sir.
Monitoring,
Repo rate
no,
is
repo rate is raised when the inflation is high, over 6%, and
yes, sir.
inflation is less
Is
than
right.
but less than 4% or 2%, then the repo rate will be reduced
It is.
in order to
When the
increase
repo
the
rate
money
is
supply. Yeah.
yes, sir.
What is the
When the
present repo rate?
repo rate is 6.5%, sir.
Very good. Excellent. What is the present bank rate?
6.75%, sir.
Very good. You know what is the present CRR?
Cash reserve ratio is 4.5%, sir.
In what form the cash reserve ratio should be maintained by banks? You might
Banks,
have.
it should has to maintain in the liquid form, sir. Liquid cash.
Yeah, no, no. They have to maintain it in their current account with Reserve Bank of India. Banks have to keep, if 100 rupees deposit is there, Banks should keep
Yes, sir.
4.5 rupees in its current account with Reserve Bank of India.
RB, Reserve Bank of India. Yes.
Do you know what is the expansion of SLR?
Statutory liquid ratio, sir. The current statutory liquid ratio is 18%, sir.
Very good. In what form banks should maintain this SLR?
Statutory liquid ratio is the banks has to maintain in the cash and liquid and gold and some assets, sir.
Government securities. Banks should
Government
maintain it in the form of government securities or gold or cash.
cash.
Good, very good. You told nicely. What is SEBI?
SEBI is a Securities Exchange Board of India, sir. It's a headquarter in Mumbai, and present
Hmm.
chairman is Madhavi Puri Bach. It regulates the capital market and commodity market, sir. And the functions of SEBI is to eliminate the malpractices in the security market and observing the insider trading in the security market and
Hmm.
supervising the organizations which are in the trading, sir.
Mhm. How will you convince 10 customers to open their savings bank accounts with us?
Sir, I will receive the customers with a smiley face and not to show my anger to him and offer seat to him and provide some water facility and listen to their needs and solve one by one with the proper
Hmm.
document verification and verified some responsibilities as a bank clerk and
Hmm.
give account openings to the customers, sir.
Good.
And
No,
this process, okay,
hmm. No, only mistake here is you told I will not show anger. That need not be told.
okay, sir.
Then you should also tell, I will go for door to door canvassing. I will meet new people and who are staying nearby our bank branch and ask them to come and open their accounts with us. I will help them in filling the forms and also
Uh,
fulfilling KYC formalities. I will also use my social website contact and request them to open accounts with us.
okay.
అర్థమైందా?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Can you tell me about what are the updates about South Indian Bank that you know? What are the
Sir, South
updates?
Indian Bank.
Uh, Tell me.
Okay. Okay. South Indian Bank is a Kerala-based private sector bank, sir. And the
Mm,
present stock market price of South Indian Bank is 17.25 paisa, sir. And
mm,
South Indian Bank recently awarded a Wealth Creative Award, sir, in
mm,
the in the field of Dhanam Business uh, magazine, sir. And another, our Honorable MD and CEO Murali Ramakrishnan has awarded the ET Ascent Business Leader of the Year award, sir.
mm.
And okay, that's it, sir. Now new updates, sir.
Mm. No, you should tell about Finoviti awards and all that. No?
అంటే updates are asking now, sir.
No, but true. But this also can
Okay.
be told. This also can be told.
Okay, sir. South Indian Bank awarded Innovative Award in the category of robotic automation, sir. And
Mm.
also South Indian Bank bags 6 IBA awards in the 17th annual Banking Technology Awards, sir.
And you should also tell about the quarterly business figures, total deposit advances, then
Sir,
profit.
quarter three
Mm,
results of South Indian Bank is 103 crores, sir, and
mm,
gross is 17,117 crores, sir, and net NPA is 2.26 percentage, and gross NPA is 5.48 percentage, sir, and
mm,
current saving account is 5,344 crores, sir, and saving account is 25,316 crores, sir, and quarter 1 profit is 115 crores, sir, and quarter 2
Okay.
is 223 profit crores.
Okay. When I go to news media in their website,
Vimala, turn off the burner. Rahul, lock your bike, okay?
Papa, don't forget to lock your bank account, okay?
Lock your bank account. Are you kidding?
No, Papa. Our South Indian Bank's mobile app has an option Digi E-Lock. It locks our accounts. All our digital transactions are protected from any frauds. See, just a single tap, lock and unlock anytime you wish and enjoy a peaceful banking with South Indian Bank. Mama, bye.
Bye.
Lockaru, be safe.
SIB Mirror Plus. Lock your accounts. Be safe. South Indian Bank. Experience next generation banking.
so this is what they are asking in the interview also. Trust meets since 1929. Then
Yes, sir.
yeah, this question they asked yesterday in the interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
I will see. I can.
Yeah, 1 minute.
We all wish to be happy with the ones we love. Sam and his wife Sona are on their weekend outing. But oof, he's out of cash. No more worries, yaar. SIB Mirror is here. Now he can access different functions using gesture commands. No more confusing passwords, only patterns. Out? That seems a little bad, He clicks on the e-statement option, flipping through the graphical expense reports. He recalls the last day's party and the money his friends owe him. To receive money through social money feature, Sam enters the amount, generates the QR code and clicks send. Woohoo! He has got the money. He just shakes his phone to know the balance. As simple as that. SIB Mirror has a bouquet of features like voice recognition to access different functions and SIB Locator to find the nearest SIB branch. You can even check the details of all your checks. Now his wife Sona wants SIB Mirror. Just click on the Open Account option to begin a new SIB account and get it done. SIB Mirror, reflection of South Indian Bank. Experience next generation banking.
Yeah. So like this,
Yes.
you must be familiar with things. You just go through this. They can ask anything under this. Okay.
Yes, sir. South Indian Bank mobile application has a unique feature, sir. That is gesture command, sir.
Oh, good. Very good. Then next one. mm, why banks take service charges? Hello. Why
Sir,
banks are
yes, sir.
collecting service charges? Yeah.
So banks, they want to earn income, sir. So banks are providing some loans and bank assurances and mutual funds and other para banking services. Banks, they get interest. This interest is called as the income of the bank, sir. So banks want to earn the income, so they charge the interest, sir.
No, not interest. Service charges means they do
Service
charge.
charges, sir. Yes.
Service charges
Yes.
means they do when you have balance less than minimum balance, they charge you. When they are giving extra checkbooks to you, they charge you. When you want to stop payment a check, they charge you. When they are sending SMS to you, then they charge you, depending on certain things. So that is why these are called service charges. These are known as non-fund based income. These are known as extra
Okay.
income, non-fund based income. Banks want to improve their profits.
Yes, sir.
What is the expansion of CSB? What is the name of the organization having abbreviation CSB in Kerala? Head office is in Kerala. CSB.
CSB.
C means Calcutta, S means sugar, B means Bombay. CSB, what is the expansion for the organization which is having headquarters in Kerala?
Sorry,
Answer,
sir.
answer is Catholic Syrian Bank. One boy, when he was asked this question, he told wrongly core banking solution. So you should
Yes,
be
sir.
very careful. You should listen properly. Okay.
Catholic Syria. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Best wishes.
Sir, how is my interview, sir?
Okay. Not bad. But still